Hello everybody, my name is Alex Askaroff and today I'm going to show you how to make a slightly larger stitch on your sewing machine, which is great if you're doing slightly heavier work, leather upholstery, thicker curtains, something like that. Sounds sort of strange, but it's a modification on a 201 and several other machines. Now if you come in closely and have a look here, many machines have your stitch length lever here, but a lot of them you'll notice, especially like the 201s, it doesn't, you've got a little groove there. Can you see that extra piece of slither of metal in there? Now even though you're letting that down as far as it can go, it will not go all the way down, and the result is, if you look at the length of stitch there, now we're just going to do a comparison. Now this is on the maximum length here. That's our maximum length of 201 stitch, which is a nice length, but if you want it even bigger, what we do is we get ourselves a little Dremel or a grinder, and we put a little diamond bit in, and we get down in here. It's going to be really noisy, you might want to step back a little bit, and we're just going to grind that out so we can get right to the maximum. Doesn't take very long, and all of a sudden that will now go down to its maximum length. And this, now let's have a look. If you look down here, God, they're lovely and quiet, these machines. You see how much larger that length of stitch is. That's nearly double the size, and all what that's done is just by that little alteration there. So it goes from a maximum of about 5 or 6 stitches per inch to about 4 stitches per inch, and if you're doing heavier work it really pulls through. I'm doing a lot of stuff on the Singer 201 because I've launched my new book on the Singer 201. In my opinion, one of the finest sewing machines ever made, and all these little tips will help you tune your machine into something really special. Bye for now.